With every news media interview you ever do for the rest of your life, there are 5 potential outcomes. Number 1, you do the interview and you get quoted saying something so racist, sexist, foolish, awful. You humiliate yourself. You're disgraced. You're run out of your job, run out of your industry. Huge, huge destruction to your reputation. Now, that doesn't happen that often, but it does happen to people, especially in the political arena, but sometimes in the business world as well. I'll tell you in the next lecture about a guy that happened to. The second option with any interview you do is you don't get quoted at all. Lost opportunity. You didn't hurt yourself, didn't disgrace yourself, but you took the time to prepare for the interview. You did it. No quote. Maybe some of your competitors got quoted. You didn't say anything quotable. Third option. You do the interview, you get quoted, nobody's offended, spelled your name right. The actual messages, the quotes had nothing to do with anything you planned, wasn't anything you thought was important, but hey, got a few facts in, spelled your name right, nobody's bothered. There's a fourth option with every interview you do for the rest of your career, and that is the message you want got in. You got quoted, you got the message you wanted in. Now, the actual quotes, the sound bites, were kind of random. It wasn't anything you planned, but you had a message, you stuck to it, you kept on going back again and again, and you eked it out, you ground it out, and you got it in. Pretty good. But there's a fifth option with every single interview you do for the rest of your life. And in that option, you got the exact message you wanted in the final story, and you got the exact word-for-word quote in the story that you decided in advance. That is the ultimate goal for every interview. That is the goal I have for you. If you systematically apply the lessons that we've gone through today, I am convinced you're going to reach that goal. Not 100% of the time. Nothing's 100% unless it's your own media, but you will do this 95% of the time. Do that and do that consistently, and you will be a master of the media.